On paper, David looked great. 7 figures in income, real estate, multiple businesses, and a full team of professionals. But behind the scenes, it was a circus. He had 4 to 5 advisors that were all siloed with his information. His CPA, financial advisor, insurance representative, his estate planner, and his business attorney, and none of them were talking to one another. He was overpaying in taxes, his trust hadn't been updated in years, and his real estate was sitting in one LLC, one lawsuit away from a total meltdown. The real problem? Too much advice and zero alignment. David had many advisors but didn't have the personal experience in determining whether they were all the best of the best. Some he had met on the golf course, others were high school friends, most of them were reactive. He didn't know that there were niche specialists that could help him more thoroughly. But here's what no one tells you when you hit that level. If you're the one holding everything together, you don't have a strategy. You have a full-time job you didn't ask for. Every advisor was optimizing their piece, but no one was protecting the whole picture. And what was the cost of misalignment? He was paying hundreds of thousands of dollars a year in professional fees, and yet he was still the one connecting all the dots. He was still the one responsible for catching mistakes. He was still the one who had to explain his vision 5 different ways to 5 different people, none of whom ever got in the same room. His wealth wasn't protected, it was patchworked. And if something happened to him, there was no continuity, no documented authority, no unified plan. What looked like control from the outside was actually risk waiting to surface. So what was the big shift? One team that moves as one. We didn't bring in more people, we brought them together. David moved everything into a fractional family office, the same model used by family offices managing billions in generational wealth. Here's what changed. His CPA didn't just file taxes, he collaborated with the tax strategists who planned around future exits. His corporate attorney wasn't in the dark anymore. His investment advisor wasn't chasing performance, he was investing with purpose, guided by legal and tax strategies. Everyone knew the full picture, everyone was aligned, and David, he could finally step out of the middle and into the role he was meant to play, the visionary. Hi, I'm Todd Villarubia, a board-certified expert in estate planning and administration, as well as a 30-year tax attorney with a master's degree or LLM in taxation. I'm the founding partner of Wealth Planning Law Group and Fountainhead Global, our new fractional family office. We help the top 4% of entrepreneurs with gross revenue of at least $1 million a year and averaging $20 million a year, and families build integrated strategic wealth infrastructures that don't just survive success, but protect it. The value of the fractional family office is total financial clarity. One team, one plan, no conflict. You're not bouncing between advisors, you're seeing the big picture all the time. Integrated asset protection, tax mitigation, risk management, business succession, exit planning, business structural improvements, and estate planning, all designed to work together. No loopholes, no silos, just smart structure. True efficiency, instead of paying 5 separate firms who don't talk, you get one coordinated team that does. Fewer invoices, fewer meetings, and more results. Further, we also always stress preservation and privacy. We structure all of your holdings for maximum legal separation, privacy, and continuity, so your wealth isn't just growing, it's protected. Legacy that lives on, you don't just build wealth to lose it in transition. We ensure your estate plans evolve with your business and your family. This isn't a magic trick. It's a shift from being the hub of your own chaos to having a structure that runs with or without you. Most people build their wealth like a business, but manage it like a hobby. The fractional family office brings order, protection, and purpose to everything you've built. If you're starting to feel the weight of success, or you know your current setup isn't sustainable, let's have a conversation. Schedule a complimentary Wealth Optimizer audit. We'll review what you have, identify what's missing, and give you a clear, customized and private plan to move forward. Click the link next to this video. Let's bring structure to your success before life forces you to.